Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're using the fantastic Divi Supreme modules to add a live Facebook feed to our site here. Really easy to do. Divi Supreme is a premium plugin. If you want to check it out, you can do so from my affiliate link below the video. So let's get started. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. I'm going to go down and we'll delete this module and I'll start from scratch. We've got a section. In that section we've got a row with 2 columns. Let's add a module. When you install Divi Supreme you get about 40 or so of these great modules here. And I'm looking for the Supreme Facebook feed. And there it is right there, Supreme Facebook feed. If you want to learn more about it, take a look at our Divi Supreme playlist below the video here. So what we're looking for today, Supreme Facebook feed. Okay, you're going to need a Facebook app ID. By default it's going to put in the Divi one here for you. To create one of those, simply hit the little question mark here, and they've got a link to the Facebook developer page. If you click on that, I'm middle mousing it for a new tab, it'll open the developer page for you. I'm already signed into mine, and as you can see I've got some here. To create a new one, if you haven't created one, hit create app. Go down to consumer is the way that I did it. Hit next. Give your app a name. Got to have a contact email. I'm not going to use a business account, I'm just going to use this on a personal account. And when you're ready, hit the create app. Okay, we can now go back to my apps. And there it is right there. Copy your app ID number. And we can go back. If we go to our dashboard, go down to Divi Supreme Pro. Go over to social media settings, Facebook app ID. We can pop it in there. Save the changes. Go back to our page, make sure you've saved any changes, and let's refresh this page. And let's go down, we'll take a look at the module, we'll go back in there. And as you can see, it's put in the new app ID for us. Paste in the URL down below. And there we have it. We've got our own live feed going on there. Scroll down, you can choose to show timeline, events, messages. Hide or show the cover. I'm happy with that to be on. Use a small header if you want to, shrink it down a bit. You can expand the width if you want to. At the moment it's 340. That'll work nicely actually on most mobiles for me, but if you wanted to. But I'm happy for mine to be the default size. You could link the whole thing to somewhere if you wanted to, perhaps your Facebook page live on Facebook. You can add a background color if you want to. If we go over to the design, within your row you can align it left, middle or right, or you can expand it to fit the whole row as we saw with our little sizing thing just now. You can add spacing, margins and padding if you want to. If you have a background color or image like that, you can add a little border if you want to. Let's give it a border with round pixels. Let's say give it a 10 pixel border. Let's make it blue. And let's give it some rounded corners. There we go. Sizing wise, we can make that fit our little Facebook feed just by sliding that back. Or you can give it a pixel value, which I think was 360 pixels. Make sure it's going to fit all the time. And then of course you can add a bit of box shadow or something if you want to lift it off the page. And there we have it. We've got a nice live Facebook feed going on our little site here. And that's a great thing to have on your site so folks can keep up with what you're doing on social media there. Let's save this. We'll make sure it's going to work on the front end. Let's exit the Visual Builder. and go down. There's our live feed. So there you go, guys. There's how to add a nice live Facebook feed to your website using the Divi Supreme modules. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.